AP Workshops, welcome to another video about one of our sales bikes. So this is our 2001 RSVR, basically retired race bike. This is the one that Lee Reevely won the Golden Era Superbike Championship on in 2013. We helped look after him then. When the bike won that championship, Lee stopped racing and we basically bought the bike. We've kind of done some paintwork on it, that kind of stuff. The bike has now been sold to Simon, and so what we're going to do is a bit of a run round, make sure the bike's safe, that kind of stuff. So we're going to take you along for the ride. So welcome back. I'm going to give you a little bit of information, a little bit of a tour of the bike, the stickers and stuff that's interesting on this one. Obviously you can see the apworkshops.co.uk stickers that are going on there, the rsvr.net stickers as well. So basically, if you're into forums, go and have a quick look at rsvr.net. Basically, that is the forum that we sponsor, that we look after, and that we help the guys there. If there's anything you can do, if you need anything, go and have a look at those guys over there. There's another little couple of stickers down here that I want you to have a quick look at. So these are Thundersport GB stickers, basically Donington Park 2013. So if you have a quick look, those stickers are what they call eligibility stickers or scrutineering stickers. So once the bike has gone through like a technical inspection, when it goes to before it goes to race, obviously it has to go through scrutineering. It gets one of those little stickers, and that's one of the original, or a couple of the original stickers from 2013, which is pretty cool. So just around here we've got DP brakes. DP brakes used to be called Dunlopad brakes. They are a local company that make brakes, OE brakes for people who goes. I believe they were one of the sponsors for Lee when we were going along. We've got another one on here, which is basically on the back here, which was the Practical Sports Bikes Classic Bike Track Day from Cadwell Park in 2019. Yes, believe it or not, that was probably the last time that I actually rode this bike, is in 2019. I know if you have a quick look on the YouTube channel, and if you put in basically AP Workshops Donington Park, our good friend Nat was riding this bike there. We've got some video footage of him riding there, but 2019, embarrassingly enough, was probably the last time I ever went on track as it sits. But that's another little interesting. Have a quick look up if you fancy having a quick go at some track days which are specifically kind of designed for this era bike. Then look up classicbiketrackdays.co.uk. My friends Darren and Rob, basically they run that, and like I said, I think this is up to the year 2000 bikes, whereas this bike's probably eligible because of the model run on it. But they're a bunch of good guys. They look after us when we go on those gigs, and they give us those. So we're just about to see if we can't get it running. We'll talk to you shortly. So this is it, this is the big tester. She's been standing for probably, I don't know, about a year and a bit now, I think, maybe, something along those lines. I'm not 100% sure, but the battery's absolutely flat. So we've got the battery pack hooked up, the power commander. This has got a power commander on it. I kind of hope this is, because of the way it's been looked after and the way this has been set up, this should go pretty much full time. So no ignition switch on this anymore, so it's all on the kill switch. Yeah. I heard the fuel pump prime. Come on then, let's go. Let's see how it goes. I'm so excited. So that's it, she's all done, ready to go, up and running, absolutely spectacular. She's got a lot of history with us, but you know what, Simon's going to look after her. I'm confident he's a top bloke. Right, thanks very much for joining in, really appreciate it. Just want to say a big thanks again to Motul Oils, ARAI Helmets and RST Clothing. I like I said, I couldn't do this to this level without you guys. Thank you very much. I really, really appreciate that. And basically, if you want to get in touch, you can email us, no problem, sales@apworkshops.co.uk. You can check out the website, www.apworkshops.co.uk. No problems, get in touch. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Nice one. Thanks very much.